Language of opportunity and international value. I would like to say that after the end of the British rule, the importance of English in India has gone up and not down. And with the advent of globalization and revolution in the information technology, the importance of English has increased further. And we are all aware with the extensive use of the language. It is used in the world of trade and commerce, travel, tourism, aviation, law, and above all in education. That's why we can wonder that in India, where it is used as second language, it is used extensively. The mushrooming of English medium schools and even on the part of the poor parents to send their children into English medium schools is the sound proof that what importance this language has got in this country. And that's why people, especially educated, appreciate and accept the opportunity that the command of this language opens up. This language has become the lingua franca of the country. Now the question before us is how to command this language. So I would like to say that if you want to command this language, if you want to learn this language, read maximum material of this language, speak it whenever you get a chance to speak, listen to it whenever you get a chance to speak it. And last but not least, I would like to suggest that if it is possible, think in English. Because if our thinking goes in English, then we can speak English, read it, write it, and will be able to be easy with it. The problem with us is that we think in our mother tongue and then we try to translate it into English. And that's a very difficult process. So our thinking should always go in English. We should start thinking in English and never stop practicing. This is very important. Usually students ask me how to command this language and my answer is, it's a long process. Take small steps and practice, practice and practice. This is only through practice that we can command this language.